assets. Current assets are cash and other assets or resources that are reasonably expected to be realized in cash, or sold or consumed during the normal operating cycle of the business. Current assets are perhaps the easiest of the various sections of the balance sheet to identify. They include cash, available for current operations, including coins, currency, undeposited checks, money orders and drafts, and demand deposits. Cash equivalents, short-term, highly liquid investments that are convertible to known amounts of cash without a significant loss in value and have maturities of 3 months or less from the date of purchase. Marketable securities classified as current assets. Marketable debt and equity securities that represent the investment of cash available for current operations. Marketable securities classified as trading securities are almost always current assets. Receivables. Trade accounts receivable, notes receivable, and acceptances receivable. Receivables from officers, employees, affiliates, and others are also current assets if they are collectible in the ordinary course of business within 1 year or the firm's operating cycle. Contract assets classified as current assets. Short-term notes receivable if they conform generally to normal trade practices and terms within the business. Inventories, merchandise on hand and available for sale and, for a manufacturer, raw materials and work in process as well as finished goods. Operating supplies and ordinary maintenance material and parts are also inventories. Prepaid expenses, amounts paid in advance for the use of assets such as rent paid at the beginning of a rental period or amounts paid for services to be received at a future date. Current deferred tax assets include the current section of the balance sheet.